You don't have a time problem. You have a control problem. Every single day, you get 24 hours. The same 24 hours as people who are building businesses, getting in shape, mastering skills, and moving forward in life. So why does it feel like you're stuck? You plan your day. You know what you need to do. But somehow you don't do it. You say, I'll start later. Later turns into tonight. Tonight turns into tomorrow. And before you realize it, weeks have passed. And nothing has changed. That's not a time issue. That's a behavior issue. Because time management is not about time. It's about how you behave with the time you already have. Right now, 3 things are holding you back. You delay what matters. You get distracted easily. And you don't have a clear system for your day. If you don't fix these, nothing changes. Let's start with the biggest one, procrastination. Most people think procrastination means you're lazy. That's not true. You procrastinate because something feels uncomfortable. Maybe the task feels too big. Maybe it feels boring. Maybe it feels mentally exhausting. So your brain does what it's designed to do. It avoids it. And suddenly, checking your phone feels easier. Watching videos feels easier. Doing anything else feels easier. So you delay. But there's a simple way to break that cycle. Instead of telling yourself to finish the task, just tell yourself to do it for 5 minutes. That's it. No pressure, no commitment, just 5 minutes. Because starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, your brain shifts. Resistance fades, momentum builds. 5 minutes turn into 15. 15 turn into an hour. And before you know it, you've made real progress. The goal isn't to finish. The goal is to start. Another reason you keep procrastinating is because your tasks are unclear. Work on project, study, get things done. These sound simple, but your brain sees them as heavy and undefined. And when something feels unclear, you avoid it. Now compare that to this. Open your laptop. Create a document. Write 3 bullet points. That's clear, that's easy, that's actionable. If something feels overwhelming, it's not because you're incapable. It's because the task is too big. Break it down until it feels almost too easy to fail. Now let's talk about distractions. This is where most of your time actually disappears. Not in big chunks, but in small moments. Checking your phone, scrolling for just a minute, replying to messages, switching between apps. Each one feels small, but together they destroy your focus. And once your focus is broken, it takes time to rebuild it. The problem isn't that you lack discipline. The problem is your environment is designed to distract you. So instead of trying to force focus, make distractions harder. Put your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. Use apps that block social media. Keep your workspace clean and simple. Make focus the easy option. Because the easier something is, the more likely you are to do it. Now imagine working without interruptions for even 30 minutes. No phone, no distractions, just pure focus. That's where real progress happens. So start working in focused blocks. Set a timer for 25 to 50 minutes. During that time, do only one thing. No switching, no checking, no excuses. Then take a short break. This trains your brain to stay locked in. Focus isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. And the more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Now here's where everything comes together, structure. Most people rely on to-do lists. But to-do lists don't work. Because they don't tell you when to do things. So you spend your day deciding, redeciding, and delaying. Instead, assign time to your tasks. 9 o'clock to 10:30 deep work. 10:30 to 11 o'clock break. 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock emails. Now your day has direction. You don't waste energy thinking about what to do next. You just follow the plan. And that's what creates consistency. But here's the truth most people don't want to hear. You're not going to be productive every single day. There will be days when you feel off. Days when you get distracted. Days when you don't follow the plan. That's normal. The difference is what you do next. You don't need to be perfect. You need to recover quickly. If you mess up today, fine. But don't let it happen again tomorrow. Never miss twice. Because one bad day doesn't ruin your progress. But repeated patterns do. Your life right now is a reflection of how you spend your time. If you keep wasting it, nothing changes. But if you start controlling it, everything changes. And it doesn't start with a huge transformation. It starts small. One task, one focus session, one better decision, then another, and another, and before you realize it, you've built momentum. And once you have momentum, everything becomes easier. So start today, not tomorrow, not next week. Start today, because your future is being built by what you do right now. And if you take control of your time, you take control of your life. If this made you think, take a second and ask yourself, what is the one thing you keep delaying that you know you should start? Start it today, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Here's a simple, clear, and actionable guideline summary you can use to improve your time management skills. 1. Start small, beat procrastination. Don't aim to finish, aim to start. Use the 5-minute rule. Action creates momentum. 2. Break tasks down. Big tasks equal sign overwhelm. Turn them into tiny steps. Clear tasks equal sign easier to start. 3. Remove distractions. Put your phone away. Turn off notifications. Create a clean workspace. Make focus easier than distraction. 4. Use focus blocks. Work 25-50 minutes. No interruptions. Take short breaks after. Train your focus like a muscle. 5. Plan your time, not just tasks. Don't use only to-do lists. Assign time to each task. Follow a daily structure. 6. Stay consistent, not perfect. You will have bad days. The key is to recover fast. Never miss twice. Keep this golden rule in your mind. Control your time so you will control your life. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment and subscribe.